check this one that we have today here. Is a Citroen C3 with a 1200 petrol engine, and the car came in for a general check. But what we also street further to check the belt condition and have a look at it. So this belt is not very far from failure. Obviously, a failure on a timing belt ended up in engine damage, and this type of belt is fitted inside the engine, so it's like a wet belt. Is running in oil. It cannot be easily checked. This particular car has about 80,000 miles and is 2018 registration. So we definitely advise that a replacement interval, it should probably be around 70 to 80,000 to prevent a failure. On which one? This one was very, very close. This was a lucky call for the customer to bring in for a check. Now a new belt has been replaced, and the car is safe to get back on the road.